to another telekinesis tutorial. Today I'm gonna answer a question you guys have asked me many times. What does it feel like to do telekinesis? How's the sensation when you move an object with your mind? I'm gonna get into that a little bit. You know, telekinesis is not just telekinesis. Any kinesis feels a little different. When you do regular telekinesis, you move an object back and forth or you levitate. It feels a lot like being loved, because that's what it is. You love and love back, and you feel the butterflies in your stomach. Your heart rate goes up, which is tricky because through meditation we need to calm down our heart rate. We have to bring it down, but we're excited and we're happy and we're like in euphoria. And yeah, this is what it feels like when you do like push telekinesis or pull telekinesis, where you use your telekinetic abilities with one boost. That feels more like when you're on a roller coaster on the very top and you're about to go down. This is what that feels like. Very exciting. It's like, feels so good. This is why I love telekinesis so much, because it makes me feel so good. And when you do aerokinesis, it feels like you are in a bed of flowers. There's flowers all around you. You're just in nature, and you're surrounded by happiness. This is what aerokinesis feels like. When you do hydrokinesis, you can really tell it's like flirting. It's like flirting with a beautiful girl or boy, whatever you're into. It's like going back and forth, little compliments, little nagging. This is what hydrokinesis feels like. But pyrokinesis, for example, is very passionate. It's like